Okay guys, I'm going to start our revision today with the HTML tags to build a full page containing the three essential tags, which is HTML and head and body, and inside each one of them I'm going to add many tags, so focus please. First we're going to start typing with HTML. After it comes the head tag. The head tag is the carrier for the title tag, like I said before. I can here add any title for this web page, like grade 8A, rev for revision, and close the title tag starting with the slash, same naming for the title. And here also I'm going to close the head because I cannot add any more except the title tag inside the head. After this comes the body tag, which will be our web page carrier of all like paragraphs, images, anything I want to add to my web page, I have to put it inside the body tag. But first I'm going to adjust the background color through this place, adding BG color. And to assign it, add equal sign between double quotation, add the color name like yellow. Okay, welcome to our school. Okay, I'm going to adjust it. Okay, how to adjust this word on our web page? You must add tags before it. Do you remember which tags we taught before? Font tag, yes. What else? P align, yes. P tag, paragraph tag, yes. What else?
Face. Color. Bold and italic
This,
and underline.
the face, yes. Bold and italic and underline. Okay. The face and the color and the size. This are properties inside the font tag. Okay. So I'm going first to add font tag, or P tag, sorry. P align equal between double quotations, center. You can change it to be on the left or the right as you like. Down of it I'm going to add font tag. Inside it I'm going to add properties like size equal between double quotations 72, color red, and face for the font shape I'm going to make it Andalus. Okay, and down here I'm going to add the bold tag and the italic tag and the underline. Do you remember what I said about the tags, how to close it? Yes, safe.
We put a slash before it and we say it from the left to from right to left.
From-
UIV.
No. I said a concept. Last tag to be written.
First
That's
tag
right.
to be closed.
Yes, first tag to be closed. Last tag to be written, first tag to be closed. So the first tag to be closed here is going to be the underline. After it, the italic. After it comes the bold. And after this, I'm going to close also the font tag slash font.
Close the P tag.
I'm going to leave the P tag. I'm not going to close it because everything inside my page I want it to be in the center. So I'm going to let the P tag contain all my data. I'm going to let it to contain all my data. Okay. After this, I'm going to add a line breaker, which is BR tag. After it, I'm going to insert picture or image. Yes.
Image
What is the tag
SRC.
again?
IMG is RC.
Yes, IMG SRC
Image source.
or image source. To assign the picture, you have
To right.
to
Write
put
its name.
to put
the name.
the
is-
notepad file and the image file at the same place, or you have to put the destination for this picture so this file can reach it. Okay, so I'm going first of all to save this file to the desktop. But don't forget to press HTML. Press save. Now you can use any picture found on the desktop. I'm going to rename this one to an easier name like 0, and I'm going to use it. But first be sure that the extension is JPG or what, because you're going to use it with the file name. Okay, so this picture name 0.jpg, and to adjust it, add border
8.
as you like, 7 or 8, and you can add the width and the height.
Height 500.
I'm going to keep it 600 as the width. Okay, after this I'm going to add another line breaker, BR tag. Here we come to the table tags. Okay, focus now, because the table tags have inside of it 3 tags: the table, and the TR, table row, and TD, table data or columns. Or inside the table data we're going to add cells or columns. So focus. First add the table tag. Inside of it add the properties for the whole table, like border equal 8. Border equal 8, okay? And the width for the table also, I'm going to adjust it to be 600. I can also, guys, here add a BG color for the table. Okay, I'm going to adjust it one time through this place for the whole table, like BG color. We made for the page what? We made for the page BG color yellow. This one I'm going to make it aqua. Okay. Down here I'm going to add the first TR tag, and I'm going to change the background color for it to be green.
مش المفروض مثلا نعمل هاد برضه للتيبل ولا لا؟
Which what?
للتيبل المفروض نعمل هاي للتيبل ولا لا؟
You don't have to, because you're going to add rows. Okay, you cannot add a limitation for it. Okay, green color for the BG color. Inside of it I'm going to insert the TD tags, which is the tags containing our data inside the table. Focus, I'm going to copy the whole font size tag and the p-align tag, both of them. Okay, I'm going to copy both of them, put them here inside the TD tag, instead of typing them one more time. Okay, focus, I'm going to adjust the font size. Keep it quiet. Okay guys, keep quiet please. Okay, I'm going to adjust the font size to be 16. The color here I'm going to make it black. Or by default, if I raised the font color, it will be black. Okay? Or I will make it yellow for like the background color for the whole page. And the font face I'm going to make it Arial. I want to change it. Okay? Now add the data. The data here inside the table data tag is number 1 only. After this, try to close the tags you have already added. First one is the font size, or the font tag, sorry. After it comes P tag /P, then
TD.
slash td. Yes, correct.
Copy paste.
Copy them.
Paste.
You copy the TR tab or
td only. I copied to add columns or cells. All what you have to do is change the data inside of it or the numbers according to our project. Now go down here, close the tr tag, the table row tag, close it with a slash. Don't forget the slash. Okay. When you finish, we already now finished the first row. Select it, copy and paste it, so you can have many rows inside your table. Now we have 4 rows, right? I'm
Yes.
going to change the background color inside. Second one to be red, third one to be blue,
aqua.
لا لا اليلو هو السيكل.
last one brown. Okay, and adjust. Don't forget to adjust the data inside each cell.
بس مصطفى احنا لما كنا بنعمل بروجكت كنا بنقفل التي ار بعدين نفتح واحد تاني تحت.
It's already opened. Focus.
سؤال هو كاتب بعدها بيجي كذا. لا عايز
Do you remember the last tag? Do you remember the last tag?
HREF
Yes. But first we have to do what? Huh?
to close the table row.
To close the table. Yes. After the last closing tag or after the last TR closing tag, close the table.
مش المفروض يشتغل بي ار؟
Then add BR first. Yes, a line breaker. Keep quiet يا شباب لو سمحتوا. Okay. After the BR, I'm going to add the AHREF to add a link. Okay. Equal to assign the page. I'm going to copy any page from my computer and put it on my desktop. Which one?
لا لا انا عملت ثلاثة، انا عملت 3 مواقع.
I'm going to take محمد أسامة زون.
لا والله محمد سامي عمل 3 برضه؟ لا عمل مش احسن مني.
انا عملت 3.
انا عملت 3.
Okay, guys, keep quiet. I copied this page to put it at the desktop. To be sure that you get the full name, press right click and choose rename and take the name with copy. Yes, Control C, correct. Edit, Control V. Don't forget to type .html. And here I'm going to add the message. It will be shown on my web page like student project.
بس كاني على بتصير. project.
Then close the A tag.
والله ما
Okay. After this, after we closed the A tag, I must close the P tag, if you remember. And the last tag will be no body. Yes, we didn't close the body tag yet, so we have to close it also. Then the HTML tag
ايه؟
with a slash. Don't forget to save your file. Each step you adjust. Each step you adjust it. Tab from the keyboard. Control
C.
S. Control S to save. Yes. So now I'm going to open our web page. Let's see, guys.
الله welcome to our
The message with the red color, welcome to our school. We change the font, face and color and size, and we make it bold and italic and underline. Here we add a picture with a border. We add this picture with a border and the background color was yellow, like what we did. And here,
line breaker.
down of it, we
1, 2, 3.
between each one of them we add a line breaker, yes. And here we add
Nice.
what? Huh?
Table.
The table, and you adjust it to be like this one. and if you look down here you're going to find a link to open another image. Okay,
الكائنات
cool. Okay guys, do we have any questions? Do we have any questions? Okay.